Welcome guys, in today's video, we gonna make this intro. After opening Pixelab, add a text of your main heading. Add a attractive font for your heading. Bring it to center and apply vertical line spacing as per your font. Now add subheading, then adjust its font. Adjust it according to your main text, then make background transparent, and save the PNG. Now change the color of texts to black and save the PNG again. After opening KineMaster application, add the video given in description in 16:9 ratio project. Add a logo layer. If you don't know how to make logo, check my video for tutorial. Now go to in animation, then select pop, then adjust its duration to 1 second. Now add black PNG, then adjust its size according to background. Trim the remaining part of PNG, then go to in animation and select pop. Add a Quicksilver effect layer upon logo layer, then adjust accordingly. Now add white PNG, resize it as the white PNG. Go to in animation, then select pop outward. Now add some mirage effects over white PNG, as I do. Now export your desired intro in high quality. Goodbye guys, see you in a next video. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for our latest updates.